Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel for all pocket watch enthusiasts. Did you receive a pocket watch as a gift or inheritance? Here are 5 essential rules to handle it safely. Always hold the watch vertically when winding. Turn the crown slowly until you feel natural resistance. Never force it to the end to avoid damaging the mainspring or gears. Never wind the watch while it's in your pocket, as this can harm the mechanism. Ideally, wind it once a day at the same time, or at least once a week to keep the oils active. Now let's set the hands. Gently pull the crown outward until you hear a click. Then rotate the hands clockwise to the time you want. When you're done, press the crown back in until you hear it click again. For external cleaning, use only a slightly dry microfiber cloth. This removes fingerprints and prevents scratches. If your watch is silver or gold, you may use specific polishing products, but apply them carefully and never near the movement. Avoid alcohol, detergents, or abrasive products. They can damage the case and even seep into the mechanism. Now the most important part, internal maintenance. Every mechanical watch needs periodic servicing, and for pocket watches, the ideal interval is every 3 to 5 years. A full service includes complete disassembly, ultrasonic cleaning, proper lubrication, and precision adjustment. It's a meticulous job and must be done by a qualified watchmaker. Opening the watch at home is risky. Dust, moisture, and even static electricity can damage the movement. Now, storage. Pocket watches don't tolerate moisture, dust, or sudden temperature changes. Always store the watch in a padded case or soft cloth pouch. If possible, keep it away from heat sources, like windows exposed to sunlight or drawers near electronics. It's also a good idea to release the chain before storing it, preventing unwanted tension on the cover or bezel.